Hi everyone and welcome to day 15 of this short reality transurfing course that I've created based on teachings by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist and the author of Reality Transurfing. The card of the day is called My Goal is Me, and here is a short description of the card. If someone left you, if you suffer from unrequited love or you seek love, you have to love yourself first. If that is impossible for whatever reason at the moment, try to start caring about yourself with some small daily habits or get into some sort of self-analysis, exercise, self-improvement, etc. Start learning new language, for example. Start changing your lifestyle, style of clothing. Get a tattoo perhaps, buy a ring or some talisman that will remind you of that change. Everyday self-care thus has to become your goal, if another goal hasn't been within your reach yet. That is truly an honorable goal, by the way, and it will bring you good luck and abundance. You deserve the best. So, what is this card saying? This card is saying, like, if you see the card, it's like you have to reach out for you, because we were talking about how world is the mirror. So what you send out in the world, you actually send to yourself as well. Because, people are usually looking for other people for validation and are not happy unless they feel respected and honored by others. And so they connect love towards themselves with love they manage to actually get from others. But the truth is that the world is actually this mirror, and you can't really find love if you don't have love for yourself and if you don't offer it first as well. So it is a vicious circle. And you can't really expect for your world to reflect that love for you if you don't actually send anything out. So in order to do that, you have to free this energy that we were talking about before, and you free it by actually following your own inner inclinations, your own inner bliss, to actually and to work on yourself. So how you get away from this catch-22 is actually you have to start also truly taking care of others too and of your world. And because love is like a boomerang, if you send it into your world, it will come back to you. So instead of suspicion and sarcasm about your world and about everyone else and what others are doing, start actually from yourself. Start sending that love. Start spreading love, finding love both within yourself and in the mirror too. So if you do this, the reflection will come to greet you then. But you yourself have to make that first step forward. So then instead of the vicious circle, you can have the following much more efficient circle. So first you send love into the world, then the world reflects it back, and you also start feeling better about yourself as a result too, and start loving yourself more. So in order to have this reciprocity and this love that you seek and validation that you seek, if you reach out to the mirror, if you put that hand out, as we were talking about in previous videos, you will actually eventually see that reflection in the mirror. Don't be discouraged if that reflection doesn't come immediately, because for the world to shape in another way, in a more beneficial way for you, it will take some time, because a matter is dense. So it cannot happen immediately, like for example in a dream. But it will happen, so you can't really get discouraged that easily, but keep going and keep sending out that love, and at the same time keep working on yourself and on your inner qualities and virtues and everything that can actually help you to raise this level of energy. And you will definitely see that reflection in the mirror, and you will greet yourself in the middle and start seeing the benefits of what you send out. Thanks again for another day, and I'll be happy to hear back from you with your feedback, and also to see your insights and the way you're actually working with this course. Hopefully it does help you out with many different questions about life, and also it has given you some other more interesting perspective and something you can take with you in your everyday life. Thanks again, and see you soon for another card. Goodbye.